So I learned something fun today, which is a different setup than this traditional long division where your dividend or your divisor, I can't even talk with the words. You're going to have to take over for me. Where this traditional long division setup is really confusing for some students. We have one student who has an alternative, and it's the only legit alternative that actually works I've ever seen. So I'm going to let her take over and show her alternative setup. It does the exact same math as our traditional division algorithm, but it's something she learned last year that I think would be really helpful for anybody who's still struggling with long division. So go ahead.
You take 3 right there, make your box, and you're going to put 5 right here. That's 7.
I got you.
7 right here, and 9 right here.
So we've set up our columns. We have our divisor out here. We have our dividend in here, and it's set up in columns just like it normally would be if we worked it out up here, but they're pre-set up. Okay, go ahead and show us what you're doing.
All right, now you can take that minus 3, and you would get 2. You carry your 2 up here. Well, that'd be 1.
So 1 times 3 equals 3. We took 3 out of our 5. We have 2 left over, and we carried it up rather than bringing our 7 down.
Minus 27. And what to get 27 is 9.
So 9 times 3 equals 27, and we're not going to have any leftovers, right?
No. You're going to have 0, and then you're going to add, or minus that by 9, and then that's going to be a 0. This would be 3, because 3 times 3 equals 9.
Wait, to talk through it one more time. How many 3s can we take out of this 5? 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtracting it 2. And then rather than bringing our next number down, we carry this up. And this 7 turned into a 27, just like it would have been traditional if we'd have brought this 7 down. And she says that 9 times 3 is 27. So we used up our whole 27. We don't have any leftovers. Or we have our 1 and our 9 in place. We come over here to our 9 and we say if you take 3 3s out of 9, 3 times 3 is 9, and no leftovers. So 193 is the answer to 579 divided by 3.
And to get your answer is an easy way to just do this. 193 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. So you got that.
Yep.
And 9 times 3 equals 7. 1 times 3 equals 3.
Oh.
And then,
Hold on, we've got to carry it too.
Yeah.
So 9 times 3 is 27. There we go.
Yeah. There.
Then 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. So we did our division, just set up a little differently. There are traditional backwards check with multiplication, prove that it works the exact same way. It's the only thing I've ever seen that you can do that replaces long division.